In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a website link to an email in Gmail. This is a simple yet powerful tool that can help elevate your emails, making them more informative and professional. Whether you're a business professional, a student, or just someone who likes to stay connected, knowing how to effectively insert links into your messages can improve communication and make your emails stand out. Let's walk through the process together and make it as easy as possible for you. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, look for the Compose button, usually found in the upper left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that to start a new email. Now, with your new message open, you can begin typing the content of your email into the larger text area provided. This is generally where you'll write your subject and your message body. Go ahead and draft your message, making sure to include any text that will reference the link you plan to insert. To add your website link, you can either highlight a specific portion of text in your email or create a hyperlink from scratch. If you're highlighting text, simply click and drag your cursor over the text you'd like to turn into a link. Once that text is highlighted, look at the options in the toolbar above your email draft. You should see a small chain link icon, which usually represents the link option. Click this icon. At this point, a dialog box should appear. This is where you'll paste the URL of the web page you want to link to. It could be a specific article, a homepage, or any URL you choose. Once you've entered the link, double-check for any errors and then confirm by pressing the OK button. This step transforms your highlighted text into an active hyperlink. If you're creating a link from scratch, simply click the chain link icon without selecting text. In the dialog box, type or paste your desired URL and then enter the visible text you want for the link. After that, press OK to finalize the link. Before sending your email, take a moment to double-check that everything looks good. Make sure your link is correct and leads your recipients to the intended online destination. Click the link in your draft to test it out. Now, when you're satisfied with how the email looks, you can type in your recipient's email address, add a subject if you haven't yet, and you're ready to hit send. That's it. You've successfully added a website link to your Gmail email. With this handy skill, you can share resources, articles, and sites more effectively, making your emails much more engaging and useful. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy emailing.